Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are going to do the question answers of our topic soil. First of all, you will put CW on your page and date 11 December 2020. Unit number 2, chapter number 4, topic soil. Next, you will write questions answers. Question number 1, what is soil? Answer, soil is the upper layer of earth where plants grow. Question number 2, why is soil important for us? Soil gives us food, so it is important for us. Question number 3, write some benefits of soil. Number 1, animals find food in it. Number 2, roots of trees grow in it. Number 3, some animals live under the ground. Next, students, there are true false. Number 1, soil is the upper layer of earth. True. Number 2, the roots of trees and plants grow in soil. True. Number 3, we should use chemicals on soil. False. Number 4, we must use natural fertilizers. True. Number 5, if the soil is fertile, it will give us healthy crops. True. Next we have MCQs. Number 1, soil is the dash layer of earth. Upper, lower, middle. Upper. Some animals find roots, food, water, food. Number 3, the dash of trees grow in soil. Trunk, roots, leaves, roots. Some animals live under the dash. Mountains, trees, ground, crown. The soil will remain fertile and give us healthy crops, fruits, natural fertilizers, crops. Okay students, in your home task you will practice all this work on your rough binders. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.